Hey everyone, are you ready to feel amazing? We're about to dive into a recipe that's not just delicious, it's practically magic for your body. We're talking about a golden milk smoothie. This isn't your average breakfast blend. This is packed with ingredients that fight inflammation, boost your immune system, and even give you glowing skin. Intrigued? Let's get blending. I first discovered this little gem when I was feeling run down. Needed a boost, you know. A mate of mine, a proper health nut, swore by this golden milk stuff. Skeptical at first, I'll admit, but let me tell you, after just a few sips, I was hooked. Now, I'm sharing the love and the recipe with all of you. Ready to unlock the power of golden milk? Let's get started. Okay, before we get our hands dirty, let's round up the crew. The ingredients that make this smoothie so special, don't worry, they're all easy to find and probably already lurking in your kitchen cupboards. Turmeric, the star of the show. This golden spice is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Ginger, a zesty root that brings the heat. It's great for digestion and also helps reduce inflammation. Cinnamon, warm and comforting. This spice helps regulate blood sugar levels and adds a lovely flavor. Almond milk, creamy and delicious. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative. Banana adds natural sweetness and makes the smoothie extra creamy. Honey, a touch of natural sweetness. Go for raw honey for extra health benefits. See, nothing too crazy. Now let's get blending. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why all these ingredients, Jamie? Well, my friends, it's all about the incredible health benefits they offer. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It's like a soothing balm for your body, helping to reduce inflammation and ease those aches and pains. Ginger, another superstar, joins the party with its own anti-inflammatory properties and aids digestion, making you feel light and energized. Cinnamon. This spice not only adds a warm, comforting flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those energy crashes at bay. Almond milk provides a creamy base without the dairy, while bananas offer natural sweetness and make the smoothie extra luscious. And a touch of honey, well, that's just for a little extra sweetness and a boost of antioxidants. Together, these ingredients create a symphony of flavor and health benefits that will leave you feeling like $1,000,000. Section 4, whipping up your golden elixir. All right, enough talk, let's get blending. This recipe is so easy, even a monkey could do it. Just kidding. But seriously, it's a piece of cake. Step 1, grab your trusty blender. You know, the one you use for those delicious margaritas. Yeah, that one. Step 2, toss in a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a knob of ginger, about ½ an inch, roughly chopped, a sprinkle of cinnamon, about ½ a teaspoon, a cup of almond milk, ½ a banana, and a drizzle of honey to taste. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Step 3, put the lid on tight unless you fancy redecorating your kitchen with a golden explosion, and blend until smooth and creamy. Step 4, pour into your favorite glass, take a sip, and let the golden goodness work its magic. See? Easy peasy. You can even get creative and add other goodies like spinach, chia seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder. Section 5. Join the golden smoothie movement. So there you have it, my friends, the golden milk smoothie. A delicious and easy way to flood your body with goodness. Incorporate this into your daily routine and you'll be amazed by the difference it makes. Reduced inflammation, a stronger immune system, and healthier skin are just a few of the amazing benefits you can expect. But don't just take my word for it, give it a go and see for yourself. I promise you won't be disappointed. And while you're at it, share your experience with me. Tag me on your social media pics or leave a comment below. I love hearing from you lot. Now go forth and get your golden glow on.